Hello, today we are unboxing and reviewing SumUp Solo Card Reader plus Printer. We will be using different payment methods supported by this machine in real time, and at the end of the video you will be able to determine if this machine is a right choice for your business. We will also talk about pros and cons and see how fast and efficient the transactions are. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. First of all, we get some paperwork. We get some user guide and we get a safety information. We get some stickers and a standy sticker which we can place at our business and to show the customers what kind of cards are supported by this machine. This machine has a built-in SIM card and unlimited data. Therefore, you do not need any external internet connection. As you can see, the design is compact. We get a charging cable. If you are a mobile merchant and you work in the car, you maybe need a car charger. But we get a adapter type C. We get 2 paper rolls. We get another third paper roll which is inside the machine. So in total we get 3 paper rolls. What we need to start our business, everything we get in this bundle. These are all the things you will get inside the box. So let's get to the device. As you can see, very compact, independent. Charging port, we have switch on, switch off button. There is a slot for the card. And let's see how the transactions works. So let's turn on the machine, but before let me show you the paper roll. So if you push that down, you will see the paper roll, and if you push this side downwards, you can take the machine out. And I want to show you that you cannot access the SIM card. SIM card is built in and there is no any space on the back where the SIM card can be taken out. But it is definitely unlimited data package included, and therefore we do not need to have any external connection. But this machine still accepts Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's put the machine back and see how it works. We will try all the payment options. I want to try first the contactless payment by the card, and then we will also try the inserting option, chip and pin. So let's try the contactless. So we'll write the payment, we'll press pay. As you can see, it's not too slow, but it's not too fast. So let's tap the card. Transaction successful. If you press on receipt, you will get the options to print the receipt, email the receipt, or send SMS to the customer. So let's print the receipt. As you can see, if you press on SMS, you can send receipt via SMS to the customer. Second option is email, and third is print, or you can press no thanks to end the process. Let's try the second option, chip and pin. So let's chip the card inside the machine. So let's write the payment. You can add the tip also, but if you do not need, just press. We are inserting the card. As you can see, process is not too fast, but it's not too slow. So customer has to enter the PIN. The processing time is almost same like all other options. So let's press on receipt and we see we are not printing the receipt this time. And let's end the process. Payment is successful. Let's try payment by Apple Pay with mobile. As you can see, the processing speed is similar in all the payment methods. Transaction is successful and we press receipt, but let's not print it. When we press no thanks, the process is end. If you swipe down, you can see setting, sales history, connections. Let's see the sales history. As you can see, we tried 3 payment options today and all payments are here. You can see all the history in that screen. As you can see on top, there are signal and you can see how strong your signals are. You can see the tipping option. You can increase or decrease the tip. There is VAT. You can turn on, turn off or add the VAT according to your need. So if you go back and see connections, you get Wi-Fi, you get mobile data and you get Bluetooth. If you get in setting, you get some information about the device, about the software, display and brightness. There are different language options as well. You can choose the language you wish. Display. You can keep the display on as long as you want. You can also decrease and increase the brightness. And in software update, you can see our software is updated. So that is all about this machine. And we will also show you the mobile app for this machine. Though it's a standalone device and we do not need mobile for this machine. However, you can still download the app and see everything on mobile. So as you can see, we have an online store, we have invoices and payment links. So the payment link option also helps you and your customer to send the payment by a link. Payment link option is good if you want the customer to pay through a SMS or prepayments. You can also refer a friend. As this device has a lot great features to offer, it also has a few drawbacks, such as it does not support NFC payments. It also does not have ability to accept payments in multiple currencies. This means that businesses that operate internationally may need to invest in more sophisticated payment terminal. There is a 1.69% fee per transaction, which can be reduced to 1.49% if you sign up for a business account. In business account, you get a free SumUp current account and a free business MasterCard. And you get access to your sales in one working day. Please write any suggestions or feedback in the comments. For more product reviews, please follow and subscribe. Thank you for watching.